So, if you think you are too small to make a difference, try spending a night with a mosquito. So, this is a very popular proverb in Ghana. Yeah. So, Ghana experiences high prevalence of infectious diseases every year. Malaria, for instance, is responsible for 19% of all death recorded cases in Ghana. We believe, as a research center, with my research center, we believe that impacting high school students with activities raise an interest in what we do as scientists. So not only do we conduct research into these diseases, we believe in impactful community and public engagement. That's why exciting high school students with our research activities in high school students in underserved communities is one of the things that we are doing. So most of these students actually don't have any idea what biomedical research scientists do. Those who know have very low interest in some of these activities. We believe that they don't get the opportunity to interact with us as scientists, or most of them too have their lab equipment, their laboratories are not well equipped to have real hands experience on what we do in our research labs. Yeah, so the big idea was to provide a platform for engagement on infectious diseases with students in underserved communities. So every year we go to these schools with our researchers. We engage them. We go there with our research scientists, our science devices, with our science laboratories that we only use them in our laboratories. We go there with them. We perform experiments that are not readily available in these schools. And for the first time, these students get to have a real hands-on experience with what we do in our research center. So information shared with the students actually spread faster than the diseases. So when we go there, we go there with our research scientists, we go there with our laboratories, and we perform hands-on practical sessions with them. They get to experience what it actually feels like in the laboratory. So not only that, students visualize for the first time most of these parasites that they live with. And we do not only make them see, but then, in fact, we get to do a few quick on-test sites for malaria. And it was very surprising that about 30% of these students that we tested had malaria, that most of them didn't know, but they were in school. They were living with them. Yeah. So as an impact, we have reached out to over 4,000 students in 4 regions in Ghana, and we are trying to expand our circles. We are trying to reach out to more of these students. So we also have some of the female students actually being mentored by our female research scientists. They get to interact with them, and that connection is made. So one of the things that we've learned is that most of these schools are underserved. They get to actually tell us. They get to tell us some of the things that they experience in their communities. They give us feedback on the diseases that they live with, and we believe that as time goes on, we will be able to impact more on this. Most of the schools still had less equipped devices, and this is also a case for funding and support. So, thank you very much.